Hi, Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Markets. This is a chart, a 2-minute chart of the crude market. It's the Feb 2017 contract. Just been filled short here at 53.06. Our first target is down here at 52.94, and I'm also going to try and buy two to get long should the market get down at 52.89. So you can see here that today the market has had a good run higher. Let's get the arrow here. So this was yesterday's selling. So a lot of good selling all the way through here, a little bit of a pop and some more selling. And then today we came in, had a green bar, which is aggressive buying, and then blue, our most aggressive buying, moved above this area and has come in and tested into this. You can see it just got a little bit above it, now it's backing off. So this is obviously an area of resistance that we knew of going into today. And this is really our first indication that the market is having a difficult time getting up there and is likely needs to pull back as a result. Now this area in here, when the market broke higher with this blue bar, it moved above this intrarange fractal from yesterday. And when it did that, it spent some time in here and then moved higher. So we got some volume support down in here, which I also think is going to be a target where the buyers really need to kind of step back in there and prove that they are okay. Good, we just got filled. Oh, yes, two on that. That's right. We bought two back on that. We're trying to get two long here. So that was actually, let's see, that was from 7. I'm sorry, from 6. So that was our marker on that one right there. And 6 to 90. It was right here, 94, wasn't it? Yeah. So, yeah, from 06 to 94. So those are two markers on that. So that's worked out. Now we're trying to get long here because I think this area, even though we've got some fairly good selling coming in here, I think this is going to be a key area of support. It's where this started to sell off yesterday, and now we've moved above it. Got a lot of volume in here. I think it's going to be difficult to get through it. You can see it just hit our price here. We haven't yet been filled. So, okay, there we just got filled. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put in a protective sell stop for two contracts just on the other side of this volume here. Gosh, it's got pretty good. So I'm going to have to put that stop down here. We're long from 89. I'm going to put it down here. Sell stop 89 at 75. So that's where we're at for now. So an interesting move here. And let's see if the market can actually get some support. I will go ahead also and put in a sell limit. Okay, we just got a magenta bar here, so I'm going to put my exit right up near the top of that. I'll put it at 99 to sell limit 1. So with the expectation the market should get back towards the high of this. Might be trying to squeeze out a little too much on this, but that's okay. And I'm just going to put one of these markers in here too to signify where we got long on this trade. So trading both sides of the market here today. I still like the crude longer term, or at least my intraday swing basis on the long side. It might not, I'm not saying that crude is going to hold its current lows forever by any means, but I think the current auction intraday swing basis is up. So I'm happy to get on the long side here. I've got the stop in place. We've got our first target in place. I'll go ahead and pause the recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarted the recording. We just had a bit of a bounce here. It's come within, it hit 97 and our limit is at 99. So I'm going to adjust the stop here and put it, okay, we just hit our price when we get filled here. Just put it one tick below the low of that magenta bar. Magenta bar low is at 84, so put the stop here at 83. And so we're risking from 89 to 83.6 on this. So hopefully we can get filled on that 99. I know it's kind of maybe squeezing out a little too much, but we'll just leave it for now. So just want to bring you up to date on that. And I want, once again, pause the recording. Okay, we just got filled there at 99, so I'm going to bring this stop up to break even. And I also need to adjust the number of contracts down to 1 from 2. Says we're just trading 2 contracts here today. So I've got these markers in here. This was the first short up here from '06. I got out of that one for the two contracts at 94. Got long two here at 89, and we're out of one of them at 99, and we have break-even stop in for the second contract on this long trade. So I'm just going to use a trailing stop for this second contract with these two. So I don't think there's any adjustment to be made just yet. So I'll once again go ahead and pause the recording, and I will pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just resume the recording. We got up and had a nice little bounce there, up actually above that magenta bar, as you can see when it hit here, but it's come back off, so we're in jeopardy of being stopped here, break even on the second contract. So just a couple of ticks from it, so I just thought I'd start the recording just in case we do get filled on that. So just let it run here for a minute or so. But this is I think this is a good support area. It certainly could come back and test it once more, and then have another even better bounce. Then again, if some really good selling comes in here, it could obviously, continue down. Okay, there we just got filled on that at break even. So an unusual kind of situation, because I usually don't trade, short then long or long then short. In other words, both sides of the market in such a short period of time. But today in the crude, I think it offered that opportunity, even though there was good selling coming in off the high, and we'd basically failed to move above this area here, as I was mentioning. So, when a market comes up and moves above this very aggressive selling from here, when it comes and moves above it, it's obviously the auction is really trying to move up, and it didn't do too good a job, which is why I felt comfortable getting short here. But I also felt that the move up here today, rejecting all of the late selling from yesterday, was a good sign of support in this area. We did get a pretty good bounce off of it. We were long from 89, it got up to 06, so that's a fairly nice move. But it's obviously come back in here. So an interesting example of an opportunity in the market where you can trade both the long side and the short side, and we did it here with these two trades. So, but I think just using the aggressiveness and identifying that in the market, and then looking at how the day is unfolding compared to the previous day, and how it's doing within the current swing auction, gives us a good idea as to what side of the market we prefer to trade. As I said, I prefer to trade the long side right now in the crude, but I just felt there was a good short opportunity today, and just utilizing the day trade the market software. So if you got any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets. Always enjoy hearing from you. So that'll be it for today. By the way, today, I don't even know if I mentioned it, but today is Thursday, December 22nd, 2016. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.